If you want to add multiple comment boxes in SurveyMonkey, I'll show you the quickest way to do it step by step. And if you're trying to build a survey with multiple open-ended response areas, I'll also show you the important limitation you need to know before you start. This will save you time and help you avoid running into confusing plan restrictions later. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open SurveyMonkey in your browser and go to the SurveyMonkey homepage. Once you're in, click on Survey to start working on your survey project. If you already have a survey created, open that survey from your dashboard. If you're building a new one, you can start from scratch and add your question blocks as you go. Now move your mouse to the place in the survey where you want to add the comment box. You'll notice a plus icon appear when you hover over the correct area. Click that plus icon to add a new element. This is where you begin inserting the question or response field you want the respondent to see. Next, click on Question. SurveyMonkey lets you choose the type of question you want to insert. And this is the part that matters if you want a comment-style response. After you click Question, look for the multiple choice drop-down menu. This menu controls the question type, so click it to open the full list of available options. From there, select Comment Box. This is the field type that creates a text entry area where respondents can type their answer. If your account supports it, you can repeat this process to place more than one comment box into your survey. Just go back to the next spot where you want another response field, click the plus icon again, then add another question and choose comment box one more time. However, there is an important thing to know. SurveyMonkey may require you to upgrade your plan to use this feature. If you click comment box and see that it's locked or restricted, that usually means the option is not available on the free plan. In that case, the tool will prompt you to upgrade before you can continue using multiple comment boxes in the way you want. If you're trying to stay on the free plan, the workaround is to use a single text box option instead. You can add a text entry question and type your comment prompt as the question itself. Then repeat that process for each area where you want written feedback. It's not exactly the same as a premium multi-comment box setup, but it does give you a free way to collect open text responses across multiple questions. So the simple process is, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, hover where you want the new field, click plus, choose question, open the multiple choice dropdown, select comment box, and repeat the process as needed. If the feature is locked, you'll need to upgrade your plan. If you want to stay free, use single text boxes and duplicate the process for each question. That's it. Now you know how to add multiple comment boxes in SurveyMonkey, plus the free alternative if the premium feature is unavailable. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.